Welcome to episode 11 of Abundant Living. I'm going to be sprucing up the bed and breakfast today with lots of holiday crafts, so I hope you enjoy it and get some ideas of your own from this video. We'll also have a little bit of some farm life from Galena. So stay tuned and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Cold weather and snow are expected for this weekend, so I've decided to add some extra throws around the end, and I wanted to make them pretty for Christmas. So I've accordion folded this throw, and I've tied it up with some Velcro on the end of a ribbon here. And now I'm going to add this beautiful bow to it and put it over a chair in the dining room. So I twisted the bow onto that ribbon that's holding it all together with a pipe cleaner, and now I'll put it on a chair in the dining room. So here it is, pretty as a picture, with its beautiful bow and all ready for a guest to cozy up to. So we woke up this morning and all of the horses were here in the fog. And it's happy Thanksgiving, so I brought them a bag of apples. And Gaia's feeding right now. Here. Happy Thanksgiving. Oops. Let me get it. Hi, I've decided to make some Christmas tree throw pillowcases for my throw pillows upstairs in the bedrooms. I realize I really don't have a lot of decoration up there beyond a couple of snow globes, and I thought these might be a little cheerful thing to put on the bed. So I didn't want to have to buy all new pillows and decided, well, why don't I just make cases for the ones that I had? So I took an old embroidered pillowcase that had quite a bit of staining on it, and I just cut around the stains, and I'm going to applique onto that to fit onto this regular throw pillow that I already had in one of the bedrooms. So I'm going to do that for a couple of pillows, and I've stenciled out some trees from some white cardboard that I had, and I'm just going to put 3 trees across the pillows, and then I'm going to zigzag stitch the fabric on with my sewing machine, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm using Coats & Clark metallic silver thread here, and I've got my machine threaded up and ready to go here on top of the washing machine on a zigzag stitch, which I've already tested for length. I'm just going across the tree trunk, and when I get to a corner, I'm just going to lift my pressure foot and turn my corner and go on to the next tree that I've got layered over, just a couple of stitches, and then I'm on to the next tree, actually going across this bottom. I decided in room number 1, this plain little khaki pillow needed some updating for Christmas, so I found this wonderful red work placemat, and it was just in Target. It was a single, so I bought it, and then I made a little pillowcase around it, and I'm going to tuck that pillow in. Today I'm going to make some salmon with some vegetables and rice. So in my rice cooker here I've already got broccoli florets, some green pepper, some brown rice, and I added some fish stock that I had in the freezer to the water. So that'll be ready in a few minutes. And I'm quickly going to sear some salmon in some olive oil that I've got here in my skillet. And I'm going to cover it in some lemon and pepper, one of my favorite spices. heating up my olive oil. Salt out my salmon fillets. And I'm going to be quite liberal with this lemon and pepper because I like that strong taste. Just flip it, do both sides. And then after I've seared this, I'm going to poach it in just some regular chicken stock. So now that my salmon is seared on both sides and it's just this lovely toasty crust with my lemon and pepper, I'm going to simply add some chicken stock and lower my heat to simmer, and that should be about the right time when my rice is done, and I'll have a nice luncheon. Probably serve this with a lovely fresh salad.